Welcome back to the Booker Med OET series. Today, we're diving into the world of noun preposition combinations, shedding light on how these linguistic pairings enhance our understanding of relationships, medical conditions, and patient care. In the realm of healthcare, precision is paramount, and noun preposition combos are the tools that provide that precision. Let's explore some examples together. First up, we have risk of, meaning the likelihood or potential for negative outcomes or harm. For instance, patients with high blood pressure are at risk of heart disease. Moving on to prevention of, referring to actions or measures taken to avoid or stop something from happening. Vaccinations play a crucial role in the prevention of infectious diseases. Now, let's talk about treatment for. It means strategies, procedures, or interventions employed to address or alleviate a condition or illness. Physical therapy is a common treatment for muscle injuries. Control of refers to the regulation or management of a situation, process, or entity. Medication helps in the control of diabetes, underscoring the management aspect of chronic conditions to ensure stability and well-being. Next, we have access to, which means the ability or permission to enter, use, or obtain something. For instance, everyone should have access to healthcare. Impact on, addresses the influence or effect that something has on a particular situation or entity. For example, smoking has a significant impact on lung health. This combination helps elucidate the cause and effect relationship in healthcare. Relation to is often used when examining symptoms in connection with a diagnosis. It refers to the connection, association, or relevance of one thing to another. The doctor discussed the symptoms in relation to the diagnosis, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the patient's health status. Lastly, we have role in. It refers to the function, purpose, or significance of something within a particular context or system. For example, diet plays a vital role in overall health. These noun preposition combinations help describe various aspects related to patient care, conditions, treatments, and the broader impact of different factors on health and well-being. Stay tuned to the Booker Med OET series for more valuable insights to excel in your OET journey. For health and social care jobs, send us your CV to cv@bookermed.com and we will call you.